Overcome. I overcome my fears little by little. I am overcoming a bad habit these days. I have overcome many obstacles this year. I have been overcoming my shyness for months. I overcame my stage fright last night. I was overcoming the illness when I relapsed. I had overcome the worst before the final exam. I had been overcoming setbacks for years before I succeeded. I will overcome this challenge somehow. I will be overcoming my doubts throughout the process. By next month, I will have overcome my fear of flying. By graduation, I will have been overcoming obstacles for 4 years.